Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is Thursday, so that means it's time for another motivational meme of the week. If you don't know what that means, I take a meme, which is simply a picture with words on it, and they're sometimes funny, sometimes motivational. I choose the motivational ones. I overthink them, I overanalyze them, and then I share my findings with you guys. That way, these messages that can be pretty deep stick in our heads a little bit better than when we're just scrolling through Facebook or Instagram and be like, yeah, that's true, and move on. This way, we actually process it, or at least I process it. And based off the feedback, I think you guys are too. Let me know if you disagree and if I should be doing something else on Thursdays. But if not, stay tuned for this week's meme. All right, so before I get into this week's meme, I do want to announce that I did finish the Thor Race on yes.fit, and my medal arrived. First of all, just because I love it, it's the same one that they sent me last time. You get a card with it, and I don't know if you can see it, but it says, "Make today so awesome, yesterday gets jealous." I love that. Basically, hi Selena. She's just, okay. Basically, make each day better than your last. I love that message, and I like it a lot. Second of all, the medal that you get. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. So first of all, I did not expect it to be so sparkly. That's awesome. But it's the Thor Race, and it's got the 50.5 miles on there. It's got Thor's hammer, and then, of course, the yes.fit logo. This thing, it's sturdy and heavy, and very proud that I did that. It's got some heft to it. Imagine running around with this thing on. But yes, so I got that. I'm very happy. I am not doing a race currently at the moment because money. I mean, being real, I didn't feel like spending another $30 right now. Or 23 or however much. But I will be doing another race soon. I haven't let that stop me from doing my walking. I've slacked off this week, but, you know, it's also snowing hardcore right now. So things happen. Anyway, let's get into this week's meme. This week's meme, it's not as wordy as some of the other memes that I have shared. It's more focused on the pictures. So, that way. This meme is about the dieting mindset. I kind of wish it had separated it a little bit different because I'll explain. So first of all, when you're in a dieting mindset, I am a firm believer of, like, similar to what Weight Watchers says, that it is a lifestyle, not a diet. This is something that you need to do for the rest of your life. But if you are in the dieting mindset where you are only doing this to lose weight, you're not going to do it forever. Besides the fact that I think you're going to not love that you made that decision, because typically when you stop, you gain the weight back. Okay, this is heavy. Taking that off. If you are... Okay, sorry, my computer beeped. Still going? Okay. If you are in that mindset, this is the way you tend to think. The first two categories over here are typically how you think if you are just eating to lose weight and a diet rather than making a new lifestyle for yourself. So, the first category being the being good category, saying that these foods are good. It's fruits, it's vegetables, it's salads, it's eggs, it's smoothies, fish, all that type of stuff. Saying that is good. And the bad category is cheeseburgers and pizza and ice cream and cheesecake. Oh, cheesecake sounds so good right now. Cheese sticks and donuts and candy and cookies and such. With these two categories, first of all, I don't like calling them good or bad. I mean, this is saying being good. You're being good if you're eating these. You're being bad if you're eating those. I don't like that. You can be bad by overeating anything in that first category. I mean, believe me, I love bananas. I could definitely eat so many of them that it's me being bad, because it's like a banana has 110 calories. 0 points on Weight Watchers, but still 110 calories. I could easily go overboard with those, especially there's a smoothie down there. I could make several smoothies, drink several of those in a day, and it would be a bad situation if I went overboard too much with it. So the food itself is not good. It's not bad. Obviously, there are some other factors, like I'm not bringing into, cholesterol and all that jazz. I'm just talking about as far as the food themselves. They're not criminals. They're not heroes. They are literally just food. What you do with them is where the determining factor comes into place. So I like to live in the third category over there, which is being realistic. You're going to have the eggs and the bananas. You're going to have the salad and the fish. But you're also going to have that donut. You're going to have that packet of cookies. I had to zoom in. I'm pretty sure it's a packet of cookies. I don't know exactly what that is, but we'll say packet of cookies. But you're going to have a mix of it. So you're definitely, obviously, like my life, the majority of it is the better things. Like my dinner tonight is literally a stir fry, mainly vegetables with a little bit of meat in there. But I can also have something that is a treat. Like, I have these, they're from Aldi. The light's weird. The Elevation Caramel Nut Candy Bars. They're 4 points. I don't know how many calories. It's on the floor. I'm not going after it. But either way, you have a good mix of that stuff. I cannot live and be successful on a weight loss journey. I would not have lost 51.4 pounds. Sorry, I'm going to bring that up a lot. I would not have lost that much weight, and I would not still be continuing on my weight loss journey if I told myself I can never have a certain food again. It's just not going to happen for me. And a lot of times when you first start on a lifestyle change, on a diet, you really are gung-ho. Like, yes, I can easily give this up. I don't have to have that ever again. I have some friends that okay, I'm giving up sugar. You can only do that for so long. Or I'm doing hardcore low carb. I'm only allowing myself 20 carbs a day. You can only do that for so long and live a normal life. I am big on wanting to have a normal life, guys. Like, I do purposely plan social events for Sundays because if you guys don't know, I do my weigh-ins on Sundays, and then I use all of my daily and my weekly points on Sundays. So I do purposely plan social events for Sundays so that I can have a little bit more instead of, being that person tracking points in front of everyone, which I totally will do also because there's been plenty of times that that's going to happen. But I can make that work and that can easily fit into my life versus, I can never have that again. So, you want to go there for dinner, family? Sorry, I can't go because they don't happen to have the one item I need. Or, you made all of this? I can't have any of it. Sorry. That is not realistic. That's not the world I live in. Obviously, I'm going to make healthier choices when I am in those situations, but I'm not going to straight up say no. If there's some really good donut, I'll take the point hit. I'll take the calorie hit. I'll live in the world where I can enjoy that and not have to say no. Because if I tell myself no too long, eventually I'm going to say no to the diet and I'm going to eat 2 boxes of donuts while we're on a donut scenario, just because it's in the picture. But yeah, so I strongly agree with what this meme is pretty much saying. Like, you can't live on only good. And the bad foods aren't bad. They aren't great. Like, obviously, don't clog an artery. But you can have them in portions, in proportions, in proper portions, whatever the phrasing is. You do not have to go overboard, but you don't have to cut them out of your life altogether. Unless you have a health issue and your doctor says you can't have it. That's not what I'm trying to say. I don't know your personal life. But as far as general weight loss and enjoying life and getting healthier, it's got to be a good mix. I know it does for me. So anyway, hopefully you guys agree with this. Hopefully this makes sense to you. Hopefully I'm not just talking out of my ass. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I am. But that's what's working for me. Either way, going to show this sparkly guy one more time because it's pretty. And I'm going to call it there. So, my usual. Please comment below. Like I said, let me know if you agree with this. Let me know what is working for you, because like I said, I am not the end all be all. What works for me might not work for you. So maybe cutting certain foods out of your life works for you. It doesn't for me. But let me know, comment down below, and like this video please, and share it if you'd like to, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And while you're subscribing, hit that little bell so you know when I post videos, because I know this coming Sunday I do have a bonus video popping up. It is a Super Bowl Eats and Treats video. So yeah, do that. And until Sunday, I'll talk to you guys later.